Welcome to the first episode of our podcast series, Power Tech, where we discuss everything power electronics. I'm your host, Mo. Today we're going to be talking about power supplies and the main components inside. So what exactly is a power supply? It's sometimes referred to as a power converter. It's a device that converts electrical power from one form to another. We see electricity can come as AC, alternating current, or DC, direct current. There are several types of power supplies, each with its own unique characteristics and applications. First type of power converter is the DC to DC converter, which converts a direct current into another direct current of different magnitude. These converters are commonly used in portable devices, such as laptops, smartphones. Generally, they're used to convert the voltage from the battery to a voltage that's required by the onboard chips. The second type of power converter is the AC to DC converter. It's also known as a rectifier. This converter converts an alternating current, AC, into a direct current, DC. These converters are commonly used in power supplies for electronic devices like computers and televisions. Third type of power converter is the DC to AC converter. It's known as an inverter. This converter converts a direct current into an AC current. These power supplies are commonly used in solar power systems, wind turbines, and backup power supplies. Lastly, the fourth type of power converter is the AC to AC converter. It's also known as a cycloconverter. This converter converts an AC voltage from one frequency to another. These converters are often found in industrial and transportation applications where the frequency needs to be changed. It's often used in conjunction with an induction motor. It's because induction motors are controlled by frequency control. It's important to note that power supplies come in different wattages, which determine how much power they can handle and supply. This is important to consider when choosing a power supply for your device, as using a power supply with not enough wattage may cause damage to the device. Another important aspect of power supplies is their efficiency. Power supplies come in different levels of efficiency, and it's important to choose one that's as efficient as possible. An efficient power supply will use less power to convert electricity, which means less wasted energy and lower electricity costs. Additionally, efficient power supplies tend to run a bit cooler. This can help prolong the life of the power supply, and perhaps even the devices it's connected to. So to sum it up, power supply is a device that converts electricity from one form to another, such as AC to DC. It's important to choose a power supply with the right wattage for the device it's powering, and it's important to choose one that's as efficient as possible. So what's actually inside a power converter? So semiconductors are the main components inside of a power supply. A semiconductor is a material that's intermediate in its conductivity between that of a conductor and that of an insulator. It can be made of elements such as silicon or germanium, and it's the foundation of modern-day electronics. One of the most common types of semiconductor found in a power supply is a diode. A diode is a type of semiconductor that allows electricity to flow in one direction. You could think of it as a one-way valve for electricity. Diodes are often used in power supplies to convert AC into DC. Another important semiconductor used in power supplies is a transistor. So a transistor is a three-layer semiconductor device that can be used as a switch or even an amplifier. In power supplies, transistors are generally used to control the flow of electricity and to regulate the output voltage. So semiconductors play a crucial role in power supplies. They allow for the efficient conversion of electrical energy, control of the flow of electricity, and regulation of the output voltage. Without semiconductors, power supplies wouldn't be able to function effectively. Another key component in a power supply that helps with the conversion is the magnetics. Examples of this are a transformer or an inductor. So a transformer is an electrical component that transfers electrical energy from one circuit to another through electromagnetic induction. This allows for the voltage and current to be adjusted to the correct levels for the device that the power supply is powering, and also provides a level of isolation. An inductor, on the other hand, is a passive electrical component that stores energy in a magnetic field when electric current flows through it. Inductors are often used in power supplies to filter out unwanted noise and to smooth out the output voltage of current. Together, these magnetic components play a crucial role in ensuring the power supply is able to efficiently and effectively convert and distribute power. Thanks for listening, and join us next time for more discussions on various topics in the fields of power electronics and engineering.